In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Discord access on Whop. If you've connected your Discord account to Whop and you want to disconnect it, this process is very quick and straightforward. Maybe you're switching Discord accounts, tightening up your connected apps, or simply don't want Whop linked to Discord anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can remove that access without confusion. To begin, open Whop in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the platform, give yourself a moment to let the page fully load so all of the account options are available. Since this change affects your connected account settings, it's important that you're signed into the correct Whop profile before making any updates. After you're inside Whop, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can access different options related to your personal settings and account management. If you don't immediately see everything, just look for the area that contains your account controls. From that menu, click the settings icon. This is the section where Whop stores your account preferences and linked services. Opening settings is the key step that takes you away from general navigation and into the part of the platform where you can manage connections like Discord. Once you're in settings, look for the connected accounts option and click on it. This page shows the external accounts currently linked to your Whop profile. It's a good place to review what services are connected, especially if you want to manage privacy, account access, or integrations you no longer use. On the Connected Accounts page, find Discord in the list. Next to it, you should see a delete icon. Click that delete icon to remove Discord access from your Whop account. This action disconnects the account, so Whop will no longer have that Discord connection in place. After you click it, take a second to confirm that the connection has been removed successfully. In many cases, the Discord connection will disappear from the list or show as disconnected. If you don't see the change right away, refreshing the page can help confirm that the update went through. And that's it. That's how to remove Discord access on Whop. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you're managing multiple connected accounts, it can also be helpful to review the rest of this page while you're here, just to make sure everything linked to your account is still something you want connected.